Our last video was about coherence. What is coherence? Today we will discuss how we will achieve that coherence. So there are four cohesive devices. The first one is pronoun, second one is repetition, third one is transition, fourth one is parallelism. We will help with these four elements how to achieve the coherence. In order to produce linking within paragraph, we have to take care of four cohesive devices that I have mentioned earlier. So let's see how coherence is maintained within this paragraph. So let's see. Throughout history, world has witnessed different causes of global warming. One of the major causes is transportation. It is emitting large amount of carbon dioxide. So you can see it is using here as a pronoun that helps in achieving coherence. Moving on from loaded vehicles to hatchbacks, automobiles are releasing immense amount of greenhouse gases, where carbon dioxide is the most dangerous and prevalent gas. You can see that here automobiles is used as a synonym of transportation. Here repetition occurs, so it helps in bringing coherence within paragraph. Moving on, according to the report by Environmental Protection Agency in USA, there are multiple sources of greenhouse gases where transportation accounts for 28% of total US greenhouse gas emissions. We can see that here where is used and here where is used. It helps in creating parallelism within your paragraph. Moving on, however, transportation is not the only source of greenhouse gas. There are many other sources that need equal attention. So, however, he is using as a transition here, and transition is one of the cohesive devices that help in bringing coherence within paragraph. Stay tuned for further videos.